Good evening, class. I'm Mr. Haynes. I'll be
What?
your substitute today. I'm going to start off with the roll. Raquan Jackson.
Told you. My name is Raquan, and I'm a student at Washburn Elementary. I like to wear nice clothes and get all the girls.
Tell your mama?
Yes.
Oh, she used to be a thought.
I know it.
Obama Williams.
One trying.
Somebody was a little excited about the elections. I know that much. All right, Fantasia Smith.
Rufus.
That was more like a lie. Tyrese Johnson.
Deuces big.
Watch your mouth, little boy. You watch your mouth. All right.
It's Ladasha. Thanks. That was about time my mom spelled my name.
No, she had a problem when she spelled it. Go.
I can't believe he tried me about my name. Like, really? Supposed to spell my name, it's L-A-O. If you really want to know his little black self.
Apparently, this little girl, she was feeling some type of way when I very first walked in because she got an attitude with me because her name is spelled Obama Nikwa. Really? Who named their child after the president?
The substitute walked in. I thought he was a new student, but he looked like a midget. Like he was in preschool or something like that. But he was tiny, like, he looks like Kevin Hart. That's how tiny he is.
Keep making noise! Keep making noise! Yeah!
Deuces big. Deuces big. Deuces big. Deuces big. Deuces big. He just burping. Deuces big. He's so ghetto and just so boring. He nasty. Ugh.
Wow.
No,
Yeah.
I don't name it.
Y'all look stupid out there. Who y'all doing the nay-nay? And all that.